Hello, welcome to Southern Charm Realty. We hope you enjoy the virtual tour of the home. These are here to help you get a feel for the floor plan, features and more. Please feel free to give us a call, text or email if you have any questions. Are you looking for great square footage at a good price? Look no further, 20,000 square feet on 1.93 acres. Currently being used as a race shop, with full 3-bedroom 2-bath apartment upstairs. Large office space include lobby, break room, conference room, showroom, ride and race park, great for any business. Can work live here. Inventory list for equipment, race cars also for sale in media.